Hello guys, today we learn action verbs in MVC. The action verb selector is used when you want to control the selection of action method based on HTTP request method. Let us see one example. You can define two different action methods with the same name, but one action method responds to HTTP GET request and another action method responds to HTTP POST request. See here, you define here HttpGet and method name product details, passing parameter integer ID and return statements. Also here we define HttpPost method. Now method name is same but parameter is different, that is string. So that's why we see here we can pass the same method name with different parameters and apply HttpGet method and HttpPost methods. Now, second, we can also use multiple HttpVerbs using AcceptVerbs attribute by using R operator. Let us see here one method product details and parameter each integer ID. Now we can define there HttpVerbs.Get method or HttpVerbs.Post method. Here we can achieve both get and post. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my channel.